Alright, let's talk semiconductors, specifically multi-die verification. If you've ever wondered how today's chips squeeze so much power into such tiny spaces, this is the secret sauce. Instead of cramming everything onto a single piece of silicon, engineers now stack or connect multiple dies. Think of them as mini brains inside one chip package. This lets companies mix and match the best tech for every job. But here's the catch. More dies means way more complexity. Each die talks to the others, and if just one connection's off, the whole chip can glitch out or fail. That's where multi-die verification comes in. It's like quality control on steroids. I'm talking advanced algorithms, rapid simulation, and even AI models that test out millions of possible scenarios before a chip ever hits the real world. Every signal, every data path, every handshake between dies gets checked again and again until engineers are sure it'll work perfectly in your phone, laptop, or car. Here's why this matters. Without robust verification, even the best designed chips could turn into expensive paperweights. But with multi-die verification, companies can push limits, faster performance, better battery life, and wild new features without as much risk. So, next time you hear about a chip with record-breaking speed or insane efficiency, remember, it's not just about the hardware. It's about the brains and the digital detective work that went into making sure every piece works together flawlessly. That's why multi-die verification is a total game changer in the semiconductor world.